Qingdao Lian Wang Weiye Machinery Company Limited was incorporated in 2016, one of the leaders of computer numerical control machinery for panel furniture in China. We are a modern enterprise integrating research, development, production, and sales. Strong technical force and strictly implements ISO 9001-2000 quality system standards. We have more than 20,000 square meters workshop and 50 experienced workers. Produce most types of panel furniture processing equipment, includes sliding table saw, edge banding machine, computer numerical control wood router, wood drilling machine, polishing machine, etc. All equipment accessories use domestic and international first-tier brands, greatly improving the stability and service life of the equipment. We have more than 20 experienced technical experts to ensure stable product quality and timely delivery. We can help you choose suitable machines and build a new production line of panel furniture. Our machines have been exported to all over the world and hot selling in Russia, Southeast Asia, United States of America, Peru, Italy. Our professional international trade team helps you successfully complete international trade. Quality and integrity are our creeds. We promise to provide high-quality products and considerate services to international buyers wholeheartedly. We have a complete and rapid response after-sales service system, providing 7 times 24 hours of online use guidance and question answering, so that you don't need to worry about the initial learning, daily maintenance, parameter adjustment, and troubleshooting of new equipment.